back here with the budget Miata. Topic of the day would be mirrors. This mirror here is missing the glass. So instead of like paying 20 bucks for new glass, I'm just gonna get new mirrors. So staying with the theme of the car, keeping it as cheap as possible, I bought some mirrors off of Amazon and they look like this. So these are like the copy of like the, what are they, like the GTC, whatever, ARP, APR, whatever, like GT mirrors. And they have them like the really fake carbon ones, which look really stupid. Like, why do that? So I found black ones, and they're actually pretty decent. The glass is not convex, so see how that works. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these mirrors on the Miata. If you're interested in some of these mirrors, they're only like 40 bucks. So 2 pieces of glass is what they cost. I'll go ahead and put a link to these in the description. You can buy them yourself and try them out. If you have non-power mirrors, the little thing here, this bottom piece just pops up and you get to the screws. If you have powered mirrors, you can just turn it inward and get to the screws. And you'll have to unplug them from the inside too. So let me do that right now before we get too far along. This connector will be right here. Let's pull that apart. Go back. So screwing this. Whole bunch of nasty stuff you haven't seen in 30 years falls out. Pull out this. If anyone wants these power mirrors, leave me a message, you can have them. I don't really care about the paint on this car, so I'm just wiping away. I do need to find someone in Central Florida that could like just cheaply paint the car. Like, I'd love that. Maybe I can help them out and make like a video on like the process of how they paint a car or something, but I just need it to look good from, 15 feet away. I don't know what color I want to do. I was kind of thinking like a metallic British racing green or something. But yeah, this car's rough. Had a rough life before me. Has a rough life with me. So yeah. Just trying to get all that crap off. Someone did spray this car in the past. There's failing clear coat. And these cars don't have clear coat. It's 93. Did not have that. So pull this mirror down. This in there. I'm gonna clean these bolts up a little bit, just for the sake of the video. I'll put them in. I'd say these fit pretty close. I'd be kind of tempted to make a 3D printed bracket for this mirror, and have it so people can mount it better than this. But they are pretty stiff, which is nice. I don't want them moving around. Yeah, they're tight. Let's cheat. Back here. Yeah, they mount right up. They're not perfectly, well, I guess the car is at an angle, but I wish I could get them to go down a little more. I wonder if I can modify that. If I did make a 3D printed bracket, I could put like a 10 to 15 degree angle on this to give you way more adjustment, because like no one needs that. You fold that way, but maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll model that. But for the track day, I do need mirrors. It's a requirement. So this kind of just worked out. Yeah, not too bad. If I do make a 3D printed file for these mirrors, I will be sure to put it in the description. And maybe I'll put it in my store where you could buy it super cheap. But there you go. $40 mirrors, works fine. I also put in like one of those broad view mirrors or whatever to help as well. But I'll go ahead and get the other one on and I'll show you guys the final. Okay, so there's one mirror. And then go over here, gotta do an oil change. There's the other mirror. So I think for 40 bucks, it's not that bad if you just want some manual mirrors. I don't know how well that non-convex will do, but that's why I got the backup mirror to try and help fill in any blind spots. But yeah, this poor top, it's so bad. Just want to permanently get rid of it. But yeah, I think it's pretty good. I have a link down in the description if you're interested. It does line up with the holes on the stock location. It's a little tight, but it will work. And I'm gonna get some non-Phillips hardware for this too. Maybe get some like Allen heads, hex head stuff. But yeah, not bad. Slowly getting there. I also repainted the black little border on the bottom. You know, just a little bit goes a long way. But the rest of the car does look like shit.